How to hide text messages on your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to hide text messages on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. This is a quick way to keep your messages organized and out of your main inbox. First, open the Google Messages app on your phone. Find the conversation you want to hide. Next, press and hold the conversation until it's selected. You'll see several options appear at the top of the screen. Now, tap the archive icon at the top. The selected conversation will immediately be moved out of your main inbox and into the archived folder. If you ever want to view the hidden conversation again, tap your profile picture, then select Archived. From there, you can read your messages or unarchive the conversation whenever you want. That's it. You've successfully hidden your text messages by archiving the conversation. Keep in mind that archived messages aren't password protected. They're simply moved out of your main inbox. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.